Okay. Yeah. Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna show you. I'm not show you, but I'm gonna show you app called Kinemaster. This is an editing software. So if you wanna edit good like me, you can use the software. So this is a demonstration. So you wanna click this little button and click empty project. So I'm just gonna go to media browser and I'm gonna go and open up one of my videos. So oh no. So so I'm gonna open up this video. This is my Minecraft video. I'll probably publish this Minecraft video I'll publish this video as soon as this Minecraft video as soon as after this one is published. So this is a tutorial of how to make a secret painting, like a secret room. So what I'm gonna do is that how I'm gonna edit this video. I'm just using this as a demonstration. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna speed it up to max, and then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna click it. So click the scissors, click extract audio. This is not all the features. If you want to see they're better features, but the other features aren't necessary in this video. So I'm gonna click here. So this is my audio. So I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna go and lower it to exactly 50, and I'm gonna click OK. Then I'm gonna click audio albums. Then I'm gonna go and put some Minecraft music, and it has to. Okay. I had to delete this. I did it wrong. So I had to go all the way here, click audio, look for Minecraft background. Game set. Okay, so I'm do this, and I'm gonna raise this to 200, and then when you're done raising 200, it should sound like this. And then go to beginning, click media browser, and if you have an intro, click download, and then open that intro. So then it's gonna look like this. You guys already know what my intro looks like by this time. So yeah, that's how I edit my videos, and yeah. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Click this. So if you only have to do this if you have to intro. Okay, so click this presentation and go to cover, and then click the check mark, and then it should look like this. It paused by accident. And then it just slides in. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.